How did you do it?
I did not do it. I am innocent. My hands are clean.
Who did it?
Yes. I forgot something. Now. See, I forgot something. Okay, better now. Why you pay for that now?
Came into the scene. I am innocent. I am innocent. My hands are clean.
So do you want us to believe this Jabri's cock and bull story?
Officer, I only found her with my brother-in-law in bed, naked.
Your brother-in-law?
Yes, my brother-in-law.
You mean her blood brother?
Yes, her blood brother, naked in bed. Nothing. I did nothing.
Nothing?
Yes. I just closed the door and ran downstairs.
Chief, who owns this number? 090 777 222 and 000.
That's my wife's number.
This was a number that sent an SOS to the rapid response unit of the police, stating that her life was in danger, that she needed help. What do you say about it?
Chief, I put it to you that you strangled your wife and threw her down from the story building.
No, that is not true.
Thereby framing her up for suicide.
That's a lie. It's not true. See, I am innocent. My hands are clean. My hands are clean. Officer, I am innocent.
So you are joking with us, right? Taking us like Cartoon Network characters.
I am innocent, officer. I am innocent. I swear. Osalobua. Osalobua. God, please help me. God, help me, please. I am innocent, officer. I am innocent. My hands are clean.
You are a demon and a bloody demon, and you will rot in jail.
Oh, brother? Yes. Okay, brother, no problem. As soon as the contract is ready, I will let you know. Okay? Yes, I will. Yes. Okay. Yeah, the children are fine. You know, they're all in Canada. They're studying in Canada. Yes. I spoke with them yesterday. Yeah, they're doing fine. They're doing fine. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, my wife? My wife is fine. She's fine. Yes, yes. What would I have done without her now? You know, she's the pillar of my life. Yes. Yes. A special God gift for me, you know. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Okay, no problem. No problem. I'll see what I'll do, okay? Send me well to Aliyah, your wife. All right, brother. Thank you.
Hey, baby.
Darling.
I'm off to the gym.
You and this your gym. You and this your gym. Mind how you do press up, so that I don't press up some of this, these are my essential commodities. Don't press it up.
That's your area of interest.
You know now.
Oh my God. I love you so much.
Love you, darling. Take care of yourself.
Yes.
And don't be long. Okay. Take care.
I'll be back in a bit.
All right. Take care, darling.
Take care of you. Bye.
All right, darling. Bye. Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Ah, my beautiful wife. What would I have done without her? A wife in a mother's skin. I thank you, Lord.
Hi.
Hello, young man. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
Okay.
Actually, do you want to know the truth? You know, a while ago, I was really down. I was feeling sad. But right now that I'm seeing your face, I feel a lot better. You look gorgeous.
Thank you. Nice lines. Excuse me. Hi, Jane.
Hi, Dory.
How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Right.
How are you?
Very well. Hi. Thank you, and you too. Sorry I didn't recognize you. Yeah, I know. Sorry. See you, girl. Bye. Thank you.
Hi,
Hi.
it's me again. You have a nice car.
Thank you. Listen, I am married.
Of course I know you're married. I can see your ring.
And then I'm old enough to be your elder sister.
Oh, really? But I haven't said anything.
But your mind has spoken for you. Get your hands off my car.
I'll always be here if you need me, alright?
Yeah. Hello, Samson. How are you? You're not fine. What's the problem with you? My friend, speak up. What's wrong with you? Sir. Are you going bananas? What's the problem?
What happened? You didn't go out today?
Please!
What have I done wrong?
Listen, don't give me that pretentious nonsense look. What have you not done wrong? How dare you?
How dare me do what?
How dare you move such amount of money from her account without my consent?
Baby, I don't understand.
You don't understand? What do you not understand? You don't understand how you moved 10 million naira out of her account. What do you not understand? What angle of understanding do you lack?
Baby, I did not.
You did not do what? I will slap you now. I will slap you. I want that money back.
Oh, okay, baby. I am sorry.
Come.
But I did not...
Don't you dare baby me again. Don't call me that baby. I am your husband. Call me husband. That's what I am. Don't you dare baby me. Listen to me. Listen to me. That I gave you right to an open check does not mean that you move money without my consent from our account. What nonsense is that? What?
Baby, please, can I at least talk?
Talk what? What do you want to say? What nonsense do you want to say? Okay, fine. Go ahead, say. Say the nonsense you want to say. Let me hear you. You don't want to talk again? You don't want to talk again? You have suddenly gone dumb and blank. Listen to me. I want that money back before dusk. Are you listening? I want that money. And don't dare you give me this nonsense drama you are playing here. And come, let me ask you. What project are you embarking behind me? What project are you embarking behind me that you spend 10 million naira without my consent? I am giving you between now and dusk. I want that money. If not, you'll see me. Nonsense. Akpam! Okay. Open the gate. Okay. Open the gate! Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, don't worry. I'll get back to you. Yeah, I'll get back to you. As soon as it's ready, I'll get back to you. Okay.
Baby, I don't understand.
You don't understand? What do you not understand? You don't understand how you moved 10 million naira out of our account. What do you not understand? What angle of understanding do you lack?
Baby, I did not.
You did not do what? I will slap you now. I will slap you. Maybe I shouldn't even have remarried. Yes! I shouldn't have remarried. What's all this trouble for? But the man of my caliber needs a wife. A wife to comfort his soul. Women. Women.
Is ready. have been waiting for you all day. Your food is ready.
Waiting for me for what? What are you waiting for me for? Eh? Listen to me, Dory. I brought you into this house to build this house with me and not to destroy. My late wife never took 1 penny. 1 penny out of the company's account without my consent, in spite of all her privileges. That I made you signatory to the account does not give you the right to...
Baby, please. Can we go and eat? I'm very hungry. When we're done eating, we can talk.
Eat. So food is important to you. More important than the 10 million naira you vanquish from the company's account. Oh, I should have known that. I should have known it. When my people advised me against marrying outside my tribe, I should have listened to them.
Baby.
Don't give me that baby crap. You hear me? Don't give me that. Look, henceforth, all your privileges have been withdrawn. You are only to earn a monthly allowance and you have to make do with it.
Baby, but I'm your wife. I'm not a mistress.
Don't ever give me that crap. That you are my wife does not give you the right to lavish my head in money. What is that? Listen to me. As far as I'm concerned, this discussion is closed. Except you are ready to give me the money.
Baby, why? Why?
Nonsense.
Hey, good.
What is that now? I want to sleep, please.
Baby, what's going on? For the past 5 days, you've been behaving very funny. What have I done? Where have I gone wrong? You will not touch me, and when I try to touch you, you rebuff. Baby, you're starving me.
You are starving me too. And what kind of starving are you starving? Is there no food in this house? Or the 10 million naira in your kitty is not enough food for you to eat?
Baby, you're hurting me.
You are hurting me too. You are hurting me. You better return that money or else.
Or else what? What is even going on here? I've told you I didn't take any money and yet you will not stop. Why are you being so unfair to me? Why are you making me vulnerable?
Is it me you are asking or else what? Is it me you are talking to like that? Eh?
Yes, or else what? What is even 10 million compared to the love we share? I am your wife. You're not being fair to me. You are starving me, for goodness sake. You're starving me.
It's obvious something is wrong with your head. Something has gone wrong with your head. Yes, you are going bananas.
Baby.
And I will look for a cure for it. My wife,
Baby.
let me go downstairs.
Baby.
Come on, take your hand.
Baby.
Take your hands off.
Baby. Hello? Hi, Ruki.
Hello, Auntie Doreen. Good morning.
Good morning, my darling. How are you?
I'm fine, Auntie. What is going on between you and my brother? He came to the family house yesterday and was not happy at all.
He wasn't happy. Did he say anything to you or did he complain?
Not really. But he didn't look happy. And when I asked after you, he said he didn't know. Hope he didn't annoy him. Hello? Hello, Auntie. Are you there?
Hello, Rookie. I'm here. You know what? I'm driving. Don't worry, I'll call you back later.
Oh, okay, Auntie. No wahala. But please don't do anything that will annoy my brother. Oh. You know he doesn't like wahala.
It's okay, Rookie. Don't worry, I'll talk to you later. Bye. So, it has come to this. You now carry our family affairs outside. You discuss me with even your kid sister.
Oh, let me help you again.
Thank you. You again.
You're early today.
Are you a monitoring spirit? Why are you monitoring my movement?
Anything for the gorgeous one.
Wasted efforts.
I'm not complaining. Listen, you have the warmest smile I've ever seen. Just keep smiling. It gladdens my heart.
Don't stand in my way next time. Excuse me.
No pleasure.
You again. Listen. Any day I search for my car and can't find it, you'll be the first suspect to the police. Get out of my car.
A true heart cannot steal from his beloved.
Meaning?
Soulmates belong to each other forever.
Be warned.
I'm not giving up though.
Whatever.
Hey,
Hey, you.
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You come here too?
Of course.
Oh, great.
Yeah, thank
Can I join you?
you. As long as you're not here to give me trouble.
Oh, no, come on, man. I don't have troubles today.
It's okay.
Oh, thanks. So can I buy you something to drink?
As you can see, I'm actually having a bottle of drink.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
My name is Derek, by the way. What's your name?
I'm Mrs. Bagnos, or you can call me Doreen.
Oh, Doreen.
Yeah.
Nice name.
Thank
Nice
you.
to meet you, Doreen.
Nice to meet you too. So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a fitness coach, but I like to say I do everything positive to survive.
To survive.
Right.
Like running after other men's wives?
Oh, come on, stop that. What do you mean running after other men's wife? No, you need to take that mentality off your head.
Okay.
I came after you because you look really pretty.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But enough of your flatterings.
I'm not flattering you. I'm saying the truth. The first time I saw you, yeah? I couldn't take my eyes off you. Yes. So I'm not flattering you, I'm telling you the truth. Listen, tell me, are you okay? You look a little bit worried. Is something wrong? You want to talk to me? You want to share your problems with me? I mean, I could be a shoulder you can lean on.
I will slap you now! I will slap you!
You know what? I think we've had enough. Thank you for your time. I need to go now. Hope to see you some other time.
Just like that?
I have to go. Thank you.
Hi, baby.
Hey, you frightened me. You came back early today. I hope nothing.
My baby girl, I am back to have you in my arms. I want to hold you in my arms and to say, I am sorry. I am really sorry.
Sorry for what?
For all I've made you pass through these few days. In fact, in spite of the fact that my money was missing, I shouldn't have treated you the way I did. I should have trusted you as my wife. I'm very sorry.
I really don't get you. I don't.
I know you don't, and that is why I am saying I am sorry. I am very, very sorry. I found it.
You found what?
I found the missing 10 million naira. And I am sorry for not trusting you and accusing you. I am really sorry.
How? Where did you find it? In my private account?
No. In fact, it was Fatih that took the money. I found out through the transactions in the bank. And I asked her why. She said she has to use your name as the director in the company because of the current CBN financial regulations. I am very sorry. Even though I scolded her, in fact, I was mad at her. At least she should have let us know. Even though I would have still approved the money for her, but she should have let us know. My baby, I am very sorry.
Your daughter took the money in my name and nothing is wrong with it. In fact, you would have still approved that expenses for her with or without my input, right? Oh,
I'm sorry.
I see. Well done. Thank you very much.
Baby.
Well done.
Baby girl, darling, I said I'm sorry. I am sorry, please, I'm sorry. Honey, baby. Baby. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Open the door. Honey, please, I am sorry. I am sorry. Honey, please, I'm sorry. Honey? Darling, please, I'm sorry. Please, I am. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, please. Please, I said I'm sorry. Okay? My baby, I am sorry. I am really, really sorry.
It's okay. I'm rushing to the spa to pick up something.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Come on, it's fast now. And please don't forget to call your sister and tell her that I did not steal your money. Hello? Hello? Hey, hi. Can you meet me at Zillion Lounge? Yes. Now. Okay, okay. I'm waiting. See you in a bit.
Hi.
Oh, hi. How are you?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. I just couldn't stay at home and so I called you to come.
Can I join you?
Sure. Right.
So, I'm here now. You can talk to me and tell me what the problem is.
I'm of no worth to my husband anymore. I no longer enjoy the love and respect I desire in a marriage. I've been relegated to a common house tool, much more lesser than ordinary money. Ah, my heart bleeds. God.
I'm so sorry to hear this. It's a shame. But it's okay. I'm your friend. I promise to always be there for you. But you need to stop bothering yourself. You're not the first, and you won't be the last. I mean, these things happen in marriages.
So your advice is that I stay and die in pain?
No, I never said that. I just said, I'm your friend. You can talk to me. I mean, you need to stop bothering about these things because you're not dead. You're still alive. Just enjoy yourself. I'll always be there for you as a friend. I promise to be a shoulder to always lean on.
How long are you going to be there for me?
I mean, as long as my head remains on my shoulder, I promise to always be there for you.
Baby, I told you.
All those things you bought, you keep buying, you keep buying, you keep buying. I hope you're able to wear all.
That's how I'm a woman. That's why I'm a woman.
Who is that? Akman.
Huh?
What is that?
Okay, you get the one young man that is there for outside the gate. You know that they say he be my madam brother. But I never see him before. I never see him before at all.
Will you shut up?
I'm sorry.
Go and open the gate for him to come in. Do you know all my brothers?
At all.
Idiot.
Hey, you just wanted to be sure.
Don't open the gate.
Get out!
I'm sorry, man.
Imagine all this clown.
Hi, Chief. Hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hey, sis. Hi.
Look at my brother, looking all dapper. Hey,
Hey,
you.
good to
Welcome.
see you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Come in, come in.
Come in.
Sit down, sit down.
Thank you.
Make yourself
Come
comfortable.
sit by
Sit down.
Thank you.
me.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Wow. No, sit down. Wow. When did you come in? And how's America?
I came in a few days ago. America is quite good. New York is really cool. Yeah. We keep pushing, you know. It's not easy anywhere, especially as Black Africans.
Wow.
But you're looking good.
Oh, thanks. Thanks.
You're looking real good.
I told him exact same thing yesterday when I saw him. You look really good.
I mean, you haven't changed yourself. I mean, you still look the same since I last saw you at my sister's wedding.
Wow. Were you at our wedding?
Oh, yes, I was.
But I told you and you didn't believe me. Sad.
No, you don't blame me. The truth is that I opted for a private, quiet wedding. But for her, no. She wanted an elaborate, high society wedding, you know, women. Well, you wouldn't have blamed me because I wouldn't know everybody that came for the wedding.
Absolutely right. I mean, it was a big wedding indeed. My fiance couldn't stop talking about it. We had so much to eat and so much to drink. We almost missed our flight to America.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Right.
Wow.
It was indeed a big
That's
wedding.
okay.
You can say that again.
That's okay, that's okay. But you're looking good. I'm impressed.
Thank
I'm
you.
impressed.
Thank
I'm
you.
impressed.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Look at my brother looking all dapper. You look handsome.
I know, I know. Come on. Get to something to drink.
Okay. You. I'll be right back, baby.
Yeah, darling.
So, how's work? How's business?
Derek, now that we're back, after this Christmas break, what do you intend doing?
Chief, I was actually thinking of starting up a business.
What kind of business?
I think I want to look into importation.
Well, that's okay. That's okay. That's a good area to invest, especially now that we're having a fluctuating economy. Many people are running away from foreign investments.
Right.
I think that's a good idea. Importation is good. It's good.
Yes, you know, like food stuff, children clothes, diapers. I mean, those kind of business.
Right.
They do very well.
Yeah, but I was also thinking, you know, about agriculture. You know, it's also a very good area of business, you know, especially when you think of agro-allied products, you know, like fertilizer, wheat, sugar, you know, and all those kind of business.
Right.
You know, agro-allied materials are very, very, very good area of business. That's, you know, I think one should look at too.
Chief, speaking about agriculture, I never thought about that line of business, but you have made mention of it, and I really appreciate it. To think about that, in America, we believe that agriculture is actually one of their biggest exports, and I think I should invest in agriculture.
That's good.
You know, I told you my husband is a guru when it comes to business acumen.
I can see that. I can. Thank you, Chief. Thank you.
Don't mention. After all, are we not family?
We are. Come on, eat up. Thank you. Thank you, my husband.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. Come on, let's.
baby.
What are you doing here?
I've been thinking of you. I can't sleep.
Come on now, no. We can't do this. It's risky.
It's okay, baby. He's fast asleep.
It doesn't matter. What if he wakes up?
Look, this man works tirelessly in the day and barely wakes up at night. Trust me, we are good.
No. It doesn't matter. Listen, we can't take the risk, okay?
Are you getting tired of me? I thought you promised you'd be there for me any day, any time.
I know, but it's too risky. That's what I'm saying. Wait, listen.
It's okay.
I don't. Okay, fine. That's okay. That's okay.
Baby. 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 Baby.
Baby, I was looking for you.
Chief, I'm so sorry to stress your wife. I actually asked her to do a few things for me. And I'm still yet to, get used to the GMT here.
Yes, baby. I was actually tasty and came down to have some water from the fridge. And then I found him looking through, the file you came back with. And then I asked why he's awake. He said to me that he's still trying to adapt to the time difference.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I also have that challenge anytime I travel abroad, especially when I go to see my daughters in Canada. The time difference, you can hardly beat it. But it's okay. It's okay. You can continue. Whenever you're through, you can come in to bed.
No, baby, I'm through. Derek,
Yeah.
You need to find a way to catch some sleep. The night is still very young.
Right away.
Go to bed.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? What is happening right now in the country is so amazing. Can you just imagine this? Well, we'll get through all this. I believe we will.
Guys, lunch is served.
Oh, okay. Let's get there. Who is? Oh, BJ.
Yeah. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm very good, sir. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, Balaji. How are you?
I'm good, ma'am.
Honey, I invited BJ here because of your cousin.
Oh.
Derek, meet Mr. Bolaji, my PA. BJ, this is my brother-in-law, the one I was telling you about. Okay? Honey, I wanted him to be of assistance to your brother, in this his new business line. He's new in town. He needs some assistance in the area of logistics. So that he can be of assistance to him.
Oh, is Bolaji into importation?
Oh, come on. No, but you know Bolaji now.
I do.
You know, I just want him to be of an assistant to your brother. You know, in this his new business, he needs somebody to guide him through. You know, as he's new in town. Okay, it's not as if there's any other.
You know, baby, thank you so much. I know I can always rely on you. But baby, we haven't really concluded on business plans to know exactly where.
No, sis, that's okay. That's absolutely all right. I have my plans already. I just need someone to tutor me, you know, like just put me through, you know, yeah, that's it.
Oh.
You see that?
Thank you, my husband.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so grateful.
It's all right. Aren't we family?
Oh,
We are. You know, right?
Thank you so much.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. BJ, you'll meet me up in the office, okay? Okay, sir. That'll be fine. Have a good day. All right. So, come on, go ahead.
Sir, this is the bid file for the NNPC offshore contract.
Okay. Yeah, did you get back to Mr. David West for those informations he promised us?
Yes, sir, it's all in there.
Okay, that's good. All right.
Sir,
Yes?
did you say that your brother-in-law just came back from America?
Yes. Why do you ask?
Nothing, sir. But that face looked familiar. It's like I've met him somewhere before.
Have you been to America before?
Not at all, sir.
Have you been to any international wing of any airport?
No, sir.
Let me ask you, what color of alcohol did you take this morning?
Sir?
Will you get out of my office?
I'm sorry, sir.
I've been warning you of this, your alcohol intake. One of these days, it will get you into trouble.
I'm sorry, sir.
Get out of my office.
I'm sorry, sir.
Nonsense. Can you imagine? It's like you've seen him before. Have you left your village since you were born? Nonsense.
So tell me, why didn't you tell me he was bringing someone to see me?
Could you imagine that? He didn't even discuss it with me. I was shocked. But anyway, I trust your reflexes. You can't be caught off guard.
But babe, seriously, we have to be careful. That was really close.
Yeah, I know. Maybe.
Hmm?
I'm hungry.
Hmm? You're hungry? We just finished eating.
You know what I'm talking about.
So I guess it's hunger and taste after unrighteousness, right?
Get out. It's a lie. What did he come back to do? It's for real.
Oh, good day, sir.
Yeah, Derek, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You're back.
Yes, thank you. I have to be in Abuja this evening. Something came up. I'll have to see the Minister of Petroleum first thing tomorrow morning.
Oh, that's great.
Yes. I was thinking that you should travel with me to Abuja. Okay, not to worry, not to worry. When I get to Abuja, I will arrange things, okay? So that when I come back, we'll take it up from there. Okay?
That's totally fine. Thank you, I appreciate.
Don't bother.
Thank you, sir.
Aren't we family?
Thank you very much, I appreciate it. Thank you.
And where's your sister?
Huh?
Where's your sister?
Oh, I think she's upstairs, but I'm not really sure because I've been busy doing some research on the business idea you gave me. Yeah, yes.
Oh, it's okay, no problem, okay?
Thank you.
Just make yourself comfortable.
All right, thank you. Welcome back, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Baby, let me drive you to the airport.
Thanks, darling. But no, I wouldn't want to stress you coming to pick me up late at night at the airport. I'll prefer to drive in and drive out safely when I come back. You know, I might be coming back very late. Thanks, Odyssey. Thanks, darling. Missed you too. Miss you, darling.
Have a safe trip to Abuja.
Oh, Derek.
Sir.
Take care of your sister, okay?
I'll do just that.
Good. Oh,
I'll miss you.
I too, darling. Oh.
Oh my God! Ooh la la! Today is gonna be a beautiful day, you know.
Hey, but you actually thinks I'm your brother.
Yes.
For real?
Oh yes.
Wait, do you know he actually thinks I'm your brother?
Of course. I did it. Oh my God! You know what?
What?
Let the game begin now.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Show me what you have.
All right.
Oh, great. Ooh. Oh, this for me.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Me too.
Oh yeah. Oh. Baby.
Stop it.
What? Baby.
Babe, listen. I hate to say this, alright? I hate to ask you for money, but you promised to give me some money. And I haven't heard from you. I asked for 15 million, and you haven't said anything. What are we doing?
Is that why you're not smiling? Look at me.
What?
It's a promise, and I will keep it. I promise to give you 15 million naira next week. I'm really working on it.
Doreen, wait. You will give me 15 million next week?
Yes, I will give you 15 million next week.
You sure about that?
That's why you're not smiling. Come on, baby. Smile. Smile for me, you know.
Now you're talking, you know? Like, I thought you were just playing with me.
Akpan.
Welcome.
Yes. I forgot
Wait,
something.
what now?
See, Claudia, I forgot something.
Okay, better now. Why you pay for that now?
Wow. What is happening here?
Chief, why did you come back?
Chief, are you back?
Brother and sister! Brother and sister!
Chief, I wasn't.
Chief, why did you come back?
Chief, I wasn't expecting to see you.
Am I back? Derek, am I back?
I wasn't expecting to see you.
Am I back? Derek!
Why did you come back?
Don't die!
Oh, Chief will kill me. Think now, think. You're the man here. Think.
What? Think?
Think.
This was all your fault! No! No! You're dead! I told you we can't do this here, but you said we should do it. Now you're asking me to think.
This is not the time to apportion blame. Just think. You're the man.
Think.
Yeah, you're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me. You're hurting me.
Bastards! 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 Idiots! Where are they? Where are the idiots? Where are they? Where are they? Where are the idiots? Don't die! On my matrimonial bed! I should have listened to my people. I don't die! I don't die! Die! Where are they? Where are the bastards? Where are they? Stupid, useless woman, where are you? Dolly! Dolly! No! No! Dolly!
How about you? Hey! Okay, why you give madam? Why you give madam? Hey, why you give madam? Why you give madam? I don't know why you give madam. Why you give madam? Why you give madam?